and the support of our supports. It's very important to give extra energy to our players in the difficult moment that we are past now. First, congratulations to Sabah. They have more opportunities than us. They scored the first goal on the first opportunity that they have. The two first goals was on set pieces. We study this team and we work this situation and warning our team. Unfortunately, they score goals. We have also some chances. We not score. Opponent team get 19 shoots. We have 14 shoots, but the accuracy was different. We just shoot one to the goal and opponent team 7. Unfortunately, this match, there are things that on the time to suffer a goal make all the difference. On half time we change 3 players, thinking also on the next match that we're gonna have for Indonesia League. But on the first minute of second half, we conceded 1 goal. And when we make some mistakes and the opponent score goal, and I think Sabah deserve winning. Unfortunately, we not score 1 goal. We try to create chances. After play with one less player, it's more difficult. So it's this. For us, I needed to say thank you for our players for the sacrifice, playing without 1 player against a strong team. 2 or 3 players of this team can pay all the salary of all team from our side, but they show inside of the pitch quality. So we must say congratulations to Sabah. And we need to make recovery quickly, try to put the players that are injured, see if it's possible or not to play the next match, because this is our focus. It's Liga 1, Indonesia League. We are not so good on the table. Our target is not relegate. Unfortunately, we have many players that are injured. And sometimes when we don't have the best eggs, the omelette, we cannot make. Congratulations to Sabah. Very much for the supporters that come to the stadium to support us. It's on also results that are not so good that we see the true supporters of PC Makassar. And I hope that they can go to next match to Parepare, to our game against Madura. That's going to be on next 8 October on afternoon. And the support of our supports, it's very important to give extra energy to our players in the difficult moment that we are past now. Because we know that the opponent team are strong on set pieces. We know that they can make these kind of short corner and after put bola and or shoot from outside of the box. We make video with these things about opponent team. We study very well this team. Was not a surprise, the goals that they score. Unfortunately, they have good quality, they have good shoot, and we have many mistakes. But sometimes it's on the difficult moments that, okay, we lose the points, but we can learn. And I hope that our team can learn with the mistakes that we make today. Yes, it's true. It's true. This team with the same players, they can play with Tiga central back or with a line of 4. Today they play with a line of 4. We are prepared for the 2 things. It was not a surprise. But the first time that they have danger, they score goal. And this makes the difference. Because we have also, on the first half, some moments that we can create danger, but we cannot score. And sometimes mentality go down on the players because make sacrifice to get second ball, to try to shoot, to score goal, and after second moment they another set of pieces, another goal, And after, I think the moment that killed the game was the third goal on the beginning, and after, of course, when our goalkeeper sent off, the game is finished. But I want to say again for my players, thank you very much for the behavior that they make and the sacrifice, because it's not easy to play with one less player so much time. And also we are playing many games with a tight schedule, many trips. So in this moment we need to have a head up. Of course, we not like to lose, but also we must say congratulations to Sabah that make a good game, create chances and score, and in my opinion was the difference.